What's going on, guys? What's going on? This is Trey Mathis here from WiFiEntrepreneur.com. I am super excited you guys landing here on my page today. I have some great information here for you, and that information is going to help you turn your passion into profits. If this is your very first time checking this out, make sure you hit the like button above. If you're on Facebook, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're on YouTube. Look, in today's video, we're going to be building on our last video. In our last video, we were talking about the importance of having a good email list to maintain communications with those leads that you have coming across your brand. And in this video, what we want to make sure that we hit on is how you're going to get people to want to offer their email to you. Now, I'm pretty sure you've heard it before. In the last video, we was talking about lead pages as a great tool that can be used. But let me let you know a little bit about what lead pages provides and what it is that you're looking to accomplish with having a good capture page, which is what we're going to be talking about today. Now, a capture page is simply a way or a page, as it describes, to capture a person's information. Look, you need that person's information to keep and maintain contact with them. You spent a lot of money to get those people to your website. So now you want to make sure that you collect their information so that you can just tell them what's going on with your brand as we continue to grow. A lot more exciting things are going to be happening, and you're going to want to tell them about it. So having a good capture page to capture that individual's lead or capture that individual's information is going to be extremely important. Now, we can do it the easy way. We can simply add a little box onto our website. If you signed up with MailChimp or Drip in the previous video, then one of those websites or one of those email providers gives you the opportunity to simply add in a button onto your current website that we offer to you for free. That would allow you to begin to capture people's information. But let me let you know what's going to be even more fun than just having a little box on your screen and expecting people to stop by and give their information. And that's to offer them something in exchange for your information. In exchange for their information. And now this kind of incentives can be a wide range of things. You've heard me in the past encourage you to check out one of our books, our free downloads, the Millionaire Booklet, How to Get Super Rich. Well, that is a prime example of a good capture where I'm giving something to you guys in exchange for your email and the ability to communicate with you moving forward. I'm offering you something of value for absolutely free in turn to maintain communications with you. And that's what it is that you're going to be looking to do and accomplish as well. Now, you may not have a book like this one that you can download or offer as a download to individuals, and you may feel like you need something in order to offer it, and that's perfectly fine and fair. I remember being a part of a company called Good Life, and at Good Life they offered an incentive card for I think it was about $74. They gave you 50 cards, these $200 VIP gift cards, in which you can offer it to people. Hey, you stop by my site, you give me your information, I'm gonna give you a $200 VIP gift card. In exchange for getting that person's information, I now knew that they enjoyed traveling because they were interested in the gift card. So my communications began to be tailored around that desire or that thing that they enjoy. And that's just one incentive program that is out there. There are thousands of incentive programs that you can offer. There are thousands of free ebooks that you can quickly find and offer to your prospects. If you're into the cooking niche, we've been talking about the cooking niche a lot. You may find something like the 5 quickest and easy recipes in under 10 minutes as a gift or as a download that a person may use. You may be into photography and you may offer something to the effect of, 5 simple steps to get the best shot every time. It could be something that you write yourself and you can be the author of, and that offer is a little bit more, clout, if you will, to who you are and what you represent and your knowledge on the subject. Or you can go out and find someone or something that's already you know, something that you already enjoy, passionate about, maybe you have read or shared before in the past. And this may be a wonderful tool for you to use as far as your opt-in. In the last videos, we talked about lead pages. Lead pages is a fantastic tool that allows you to use whatever it is that you have uncovered that would be good for your individual market. It allows you to place it up on their website. They give you a link that you can use on your own free website that we have set up, or you can share it on Facebook, etc., etc. And this allows you to then go out there and share this gift in exchange for an email address. And as we know, that email address is going to be extremely important with maintaining communications with that person about your brand. So with that being said, I just want you guys to get an idea on some of the things that you can be offering as free giveaways. Another good idea, if you're in the service industry or you have a particular niche that people may just want to, you know, pick your brain, get some information from. Another great opt-in that I've been seeing here recently is consultations. You can simply put on your website, you're offering free consultations for people for whatever it is that you're working on in exchange for their information so that you can follow up with them and offer that consultation. This consultation gives you an opportunity to learn even more about the person, learn even more about how your brand may fit with what the person is looking for. So just something to think about. But what I really want you guys to do is head on over to Lead Pages. I'm going to leave a link in the description box of this video. Go ahead and head over to Lead Pages, set yourself up with an account, find yourself something that you can give away for free. Something that you can give away to individuals that would excite them about your brand or shows your knowledge of a particular subject. So by all means, go over to Lead Pages, play with the website a little bit, come up with a good, easy, simple capture page. You're going to notice a lot of templates available to you where you can just simply change a couple of words and be online in a matter of minutes collecting email addresses. You're going to want to make sure that you tie Lead Pages, the capturing of the email addresses, to your mailing list that we talked about in the previous video. So if you did not check out the previous video, I want to encourage you after this video, go ahead and over to YouTube, check out our playlist, Turn Your Passion into Profits. Check out the one about building your email list, because you're going to want to tie in your email list, your email service provider to your lead page so that it's a hands-free experience for you. Someone comes to your website by seeing your capture information, your sizzle, what it is that you're offering. They in turn offer their information, they offer their email information, and then the email system automatically sends them what it is that you promised them. So that's where I want to leave this video today. I want to encourage you guys to head on over, get things set up right away. In the next video, we'll build on this video. Till we talk again, take care and be blessed. Peace.